see them viewers, nobody not take no talk boy ya. Squaddy them tell the driver they fi tap, and before him tap you see what him do. Run the man run over them. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have the video they fi talk about. Plus, me go show you the 3 Jamaican them we get charged of Florida. And wanted man left flat pan film face in a Portmore. And we see squaddy them all a little juvenile with a fake matic. So before me jump in at the reasoning, pre this.
Did it come on though? Okay, or the Wi-Fi.
Don't play with me, yeah?
Alright.
No, it was just Wi-Fi.
Wanna see them viewers, the thing left from kiss me baby to box you down baby. All because she want connect her phone to a Wi-Fi to see who a link her. My people, me no promote violence against woman, you know. But you see enough of uno woman out there. I wanna bring down this pa on yourself, you know. Cause no want bad man and murderer, you know. So what you think I got loan box and kick no for una go get. We see a lot of people out there jump out and I say yo, no relationship no perfect. On the right, no relationship no perfect. Everybody go through it in a them relationship, but you have a thing when them seeing is believing. We now see them people up on the media. I fight them partner. I disrespect them partner. And remember this, them people they are a public figure. Kartel a public figure. So him shoulda know what him a do. Or him never know say the camera keep rolling. So as I say my people, the thing left from kiss me baby to box me down baby now. So my viewers, walk with me. See that look juvie you wanna see on the screen. Squaddy them hold him, you know. And when squaddy them hold him and lift up him shirt and see where they pan him belly. No one fake matic the youth a sport within the street, me I tell you no. My viewers, look pan the youth ya. The youth ya look like him a 13, 14 the max. And at this year walk up and down within the community youth. Lucky him for lucky say squaddy them never trigger happy, you know. And pronounce him, you know. So as I say, mothers and fathers out there, talk to no youth. You hear that? Cause when I say a little youth like this, we should have prepare himself here, go back to school. See where him there in the street here walk with and a image up with. Fake gun. Thank God say squaddy them never trigger happy. Me I tell you no fi fling him down and call it a day. So as I say, get to youth, loyalty no in a badness. You no want jump in that game, yeah. I use the man them I go use you. And turn you in a big crash dummy. And your 3 points I go just spread out in the middle of the road quick and fast. So as I say, thank God squaddy them never trigger happy. Youth, live and learn. You make a mistake. We understand. You're lucky. So my people, walk with me again. I go show you the 3 Jamaican them we get charged of Florida for murder. Cause I never tall boss alone, you know. Them I say tall boss was the getaway driver. And the rest of them did a squeeze the trigger. So my people, see them here. Devon Jones, Ricardo Golding, and the next one we name Andre. Take up themselves and go America. And you see where them go America for my people? If you got dirt people, forget the port, for drop back boy. SWAT team go for them in Florida, me I tell you no my people, and go drag them out after them pronounced 32-year-old Nico. My people, the youth them now learn. When you get opportunity for left from boy youth, go make it happen youth. You hear that? Make it happen for no family them. If you don't have no pitney them, send for them, help them. No go foreign go turn on no back pan people and only care about yourself. And then when you get caught up, you not look for people for help, you know. So as I say, see the 3 Jamaican them we get all of Florida. But them a step on crime. Some people, no walk with me again. We go left from Florida now and go Portmore. Where we see squaddy them go for 29-year-old Christopher McLean, aka Frazzle, a wanted man, and go pronounce him in the wickedest way. My people, you don't notice that the youth them now see where I go on boy. It's like them not see say we have a new commissioner. It's like them not see say anywhere we see that go, a clip load them a left in a boy head. So as I say, a 2 road in a badness, you know. Is either dead house or jailhouse, you know. And see it here, Frazzle does choose for him road. Dead house, me I tell you no more people. So to all of the other ghetto youth them out there, youth, no loyalty no inna this. Say if you no want make man use and turn on in a big crash dummy and then squaddy them come pronounce or you go sit down pan cell block till you all and grey. Pick one. A phone no life a waste. And on my own. Some people stay safe out there. Until next time. Zimmy.